Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we are going to study about the marine pollution. Let us first define marine pollution. Marine pollution can be defined as the contamination of unwanted substances, trashes in the sea water, which is harmful for the human life, aquatic life, as well as for economy. It can also be defined in other ways as discharge of waste material into the sea resulting in harm to living resources, hazard to human health, hindrance to fishery and impairment of the quality for use of sea water. Let us discuss about the pollutants and causes of the marine pollution. There are so many causes which are responsible for marine pollution. As marine pollution can degrade the quality of water, so several mammals, seabirds, sea turtles and so many aquatic animals, plants are destroyed by the marine pollution. And our whole biodiversity is affected by that type of pollution also. As we know, marines are very important for our life. They are responsible for our economy also. Several transportation, several business are going through with the help of marine. Let us discuss about the pollutants. The name of pollutants are sewage. Sewage, whether it is from the industry as well as it can be from the households or domestic. Sewage is very dangerous, very harmful when it is mixed with the water resources. That sewage causes pollution to particular water body and it is responsible for so many losses in the animals, plants present in that particular water body. Next is pesticides. Pesticides are coming from the farms. When pesticides run off from the plants, farms, it when mixed with water body, it is responsible for particular type of pollution. That pollution is very harmful. It is when enter in the body of plants and animals and human beings, it can cause damage to several organs of the humans and animals also. Next is plastic. Use of plastic and mixing of plastic in the water is also one of the major source of marine pollution. Next is metallic waste. Some metallic waste are also added in the marine water by several activities that is also harmful for the marine life. Oil. As we know, oil sources are present in the seas. We can extract oil from the sea water by several extraction techniques. So when this sea is containing oil, when this oil is extracted from the sea, sometimes some oil can mix with the water by leakage or by spillage. So this oil is very harmful and it also causes marine pollution. Heat. When several chemicals are added into the marine water, it causes heat transformation or increase in the temperature of water. Next is radioactive waste. Radioactive waste material when mixed with water, marine water, it can cause several damages to life of aquatic plants, animals and also of human beings. Now let us discuss about the effects of marine pollution. As we have discussed about the pollutants, these pollutants are very harmful and they causes several life destroying effects. Harm to the marine life. When several chemicals mixed with water, they causes harm to the marine life. It causes killing of the fishes, sea turtles, seabirds. They can kill them when introduced in their body through several activities. When pesticides flow and mix with the water, these pesticides enter in the body of animals, plants, fishes and human beings. They causes damage of liver, reproductive system. It can also causes lung problems. Several diseases are also caused by these pesticides when enter in our body. It also destroys the habitats of aquatic life. Polythene, plastics, when they enter in the water sources, they destroy the habitats of the animals or aquatic life, aquatic animals. Pesticides causes several diseases, also destroy food web. When pesticides enter in the food web, that destroy all the system. That food web is also including several animals, plants and human beings also. When this food web disturbed, that disturbs the overall ecosystem. Next, oil. This oil spillage or leaked oil, when covers the body of the animals, plants and bodies of the fishes, then gills of the fishes overlapped or covered with this oil, they are responsible for breath losses or sufficient amount of oxygen is not entered in the body of animals. It can also cover the feathers of the birds, they are unable to fly. It also causes skin diseases and skin rashes also. Next, failure of reproductive system. By entering pesticides, insecticides in the body, it can cause damage to the human body, animal's body and aquatic life. It causes failure of reproductive system, skin diseases, liver diseases, lung diseases and so many problems. It also causes death of the animals. When several animals die, aquatic life disturbed, then this all resultant of disturbance in the ecosystem and also biodiversity losses. Now let us discuss about the controlling measures of the marine pollution. We can control marine pollution by several techniques. First, we can take some preventive measures for the mixing of sewage water into the marine system or water sources. Metallic waste which is discarded and when it is mixed with marine, before addition of metallic waste into the marine water, we can extract these metals. We can also use some techniques like electrolysis process, ion exchange process to remove radioactive waste. We can spread awareness among the people. Government can give some incentive to the people who are working for the decrease of marine pollution and awareness drives. Some intensives are will also play a very important role in their motivation, and people work with the decrease in level and awareness programs. Marine pollution can also be decreased by using less water, proper use of water. We can also use 3R techniques. 3R techniques like recycle, reuse, recycle and reproduce. Okay. We can also minimize waste generation and flow of waste directly into the seas or marines. Some industries can also be equipped with the instrument which are used for filtration of the wastewater. So these are some techniques which can be used. Government laws must be implemented forcefully, and this can help to decrease or minimize marine pollution. So we all should work for this. No one single person is responsible to decrease that pollution or to work for it. We all are responsible for that. So hope for the initiative from you also. Let us stop this topic here. We will discuss next topic in our next class. Thank you.